Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. And we'll be looking at the dollar index and today's economic calendar also. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in today's calendar now. Today it looks like we have economical news on almost all the major currency pairs. The news for Aussie dollar has already completed, and as we come down we have news for British pound at 12:30 p.m. low impact news is, and as we come down at 3:30 p.m. we have news for euro which has medium impacts, and from 3:30 as we come down 7 p.m. we have news on US dollar and high impact news and also medium impact news. So there are plenty of news coming up today, so plan your trade based on this news. Let us analyze dollar index. I'm in 30 minutes time frame of dollar index. When we look at the price action in dollar index, it was on a very nice bullish trend, took resistance at the level of 97, then it had a very sharp fall. Now currently when we analyze the price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend. Currently the price action is taking support on the level of 96.430. When we look at the level of this price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance previously also, so we can expect a stop at this level, then to retrace a little and test the next level of support, which is going to be around 95.87. and if the price action breaks this support level, we have a further fall, and next level of support is going to be around 95.37. but currently it is looking very bullish, and if it breaks this level, next level of resistance is going to be around 96.72. This will be a 60% retracement in Fibonacci's rule. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now in gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the price action, previously it was trading under a symmetric triangle pattern. This line was acting as a very strong support, and resistance line also was acting as a very strong resistance, but currently when we notice the price action, it has clearly given a breakout from this resistance line from the symmetric triangle, and it is in a very strong bullish trend, and it has tested this resistance level of 1876, and it is sort of consolidating, and it couldn't manage to break this resistance level. When we look at the past price action in this resistance level, this level had acted as a very strong support previously, and this was a neck level for the past price action, and after breaking this neck level, it had a very sharp downfall. So if the price action breaks this level of 1876, we can expect it to go on a bullish side and test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1909. Still the price action is trading between this 70 and 60% of the retracement level of Fibonacci's retracement tool, and these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. And overall when we look at the price action, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 4 hours time frame, currently the price action is trying to break this resistance level of 1876, and it is sort of moving on a sideways, and I have drawn a resistance line over here, the black color line. Previously the price action took resistance at this level and bounced back. Currently it has broken this resistance level also and testing the higher time frame resistance level. So if the price action bounces back, we can expect it to take support on this resistance line, and I have drawn a one more support line also over here. So if the price action manages to break this support level also, we can expect it to take support on this secondary support line, because previously the price action had taken support on this support line and bounced back on the bullish side, and also this is actually correlating with the previous level of support, which was around 1849. So if the price action bounces back, it has to break this previous support level of 1849, then only it can start its bearish trend reversal. and next level of support is going to be around 1831. And currently the price action has broken all this resistance level, and it is on a very strong bullish trend. And we know from the past price action also, this level has acted as a very strong resistance level from where the previous price action also had taken a trend reversal. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance area, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action has very strong bullish trend. Wait for it to have a trend reversal, then go on a bearish side trades. If the price action doesn't manage to break this support line, we can expect a further continuation of this bullish trend and test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1889. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. We already know from the higher time frame that this level of resistance, which is going to be around 1876, is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. Previously the price action was trading within a bullish channel pattern, and suddenly it had a very strong bullish trend. You can notice that it gave breakout from the hourly time frame bullish channel pattern, tested the resistance level of 4 hours time frame and took support on this bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and currently the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. So if the price action bounces back, we can expect it to take support on this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame and to bounce back on the bullish trend. Only when it breaks this support line or the trend line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But still, if it doesn't break this support level of 1831, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in these currency pairs. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action has tested this resistance level of 1876 and it is in a sideways. This is a very strong resistance zone, and it is also trading between the 70% and 60% Fibonacci's retracement tool level. So we can expect a consolidation and a bearish trend reversal to happen, because previously this level had acted as a very strong resistance for the past price action. And if the price action manages to break this resistance level, the next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1909. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is still in a very strong bullish trend, and currently it looks in a bearish retracement, but it is forming into a triangle pattern, which means that consolidation, retracting, and then we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Only when it breaks this support line from the 4 hours time frame and also the trend line or the channel pattern support line from the hourly time frame, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently I have drawn the trend line also to notify you what is the current trend of the market. Currently the price action is still in a very nice bullish trend, and it is taking support on the support level of 1870. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. We can notice that the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, then it had retraced, again it started its bullish trend, but it couldn't break this previous high when it retraced also. So currently the price action has broken this trend line or the support line, and it is moving on a sideways. So the price action has to break this resistance level of 1876 to actually continue its bullish trend. Let us wait and see if the bullish trend still continues or not. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is in a sideways market. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to receive daily updates on my gold analysis, and please share this video with your friends.